What up, guys? Hope everybody's well. Today's video I'm going to be talking a little bit about my perception on things that are in the media a lot about climate change and is it as bad, is it really coming? Well, I'll make my position clear. I think it is bad, but I think besides the crisis, the impending crisis, is also the perception of that crisis. Like, a lot of people, I hear them say on Facebook and in the comments on videos, yeah, but there's always been these extreme weather patterns and it's not man-made and it's not nothing to do, and volcanoes this and sun this and radiation. You know what, when you ask those people to tell you the difference between linear and exponential growth, they can't do it. If you ask them to explain the compound effect, they couldn't do it. So they have this perception that because the warnings haven't been prophesized, that they don't think it's coming. The fact is, it's deceptive in the beginning. It takes a long time to consolidate before we see catastrophic consequences. And I do think the catastrophic consequences are on the horizon. And I think in terms of priorities, we should align that with our biology, i.e. air, water, food, soil, all of these kind of things. But capitalism creates its own problems. So the socio-economic paradigm that we're caught in for the money, the profit, that creates a whole set of problems. But in terms of our energy systems, let me just tell you what I think. Now, I'm not academic, I've got no PhD, but I think there's 3 technologies that could really help us out. There's probably many, many others that I don't even know about, but these 3 seem to stand out. And number 1 is obviously renewables, your solar, your wind, all these kind of innovations that kind of generate, energy from the environment, the natural environment. The problem I see with those is it takes fossil fuels to drill, mine and procure the resources to build those things. So before they give you energy back, it actually pollutes to get them out of the ground. So we're going to need some sort of transition zone to get us away from, coal, gas and oil. So maybe nuclear. I mean, it seems to me, again, I'm no expert, but this technology has advanced a lot since even Chernobyl and Fukushima. We've learned a lot from those catastrophes. I know there's a lot of perception it's super dangerous, but I don't think it's beyond our capability to build reactors that meet a standard that has the best engineering, the best safety features, the best redundancy to stop those kind of catastrophes from happening. And then you've got hemp. I mean, what an amazing crop. 50,000 industrial derivatives, cellulose for plastic, great pollinator. Hempcrete sequesters the CO2, photoremediates the soil. It's an amazing, amazing crop. However, there has been suggested that perhaps it could replace all fossil fuels. In terms of its derivative, maybe, but is there enough arable land to get us off fossil fuels? Perhaps not. But if we use all 3 together, I think we could make a profound difference to the way we power our civilization. And I think that's vitally important that we start having that conversation, because I think the 3 could really complement each other, especially with hemp. There's been talk around supercapacitors, new types of battery technology. Anyway, look, what do I know? I'm just some regular guy working a regular job. Anyway, hit me up in the comments, tell me what you think. You probably know more than me anyway, so I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Take care.